This video is on fitting a Holley high ram on a small block Chevy and a 1993 Chevy OBS pickup. You can see that tinfoil right there. That's how much space there is between the hood and the highest part of the intake, and that's how much clearance there is. Good inch, not more. So it does fit under the hood. The hood could be closed and should be no problem. There's the small block. It's dusty and dirty. Not on the inside though, it's nice and clean, but on the outside she's a little dusty. But there we go. So there's what I'm going to be using for a radiator water neck on the Manifold. It'll be a -20 AN hose. And for the auxiliary drive, all the factory stuff will be removed, and I'll be using a Holley auxiliary drive to run the water pump, air conditioning, power steering, alternator, that stuff. Maybe I'll do a video on that, but right now this is what I have. This is the hood clearance, so it should be no problem. And here's the real kicker. I am taking all the ProFlow Elder Block for those in the comments stuff, and I'm going to put it on this intake manifold. So it'll be Elder Block ProFlow 4 system injectors, the IAC they use, the map they use, the temperature they use, the temperature gauge, all that stuff will be off the ProFlow. The ECM, still be using the HGM transmission controller, can bust into the ProFlow 4. Be some other little rearrangement things I have to do, but for the most part, that's what it'll be. Thanks for watching.